In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix high ping in Discord. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your Discord, then click on this gear icon given at the bottom left. Now navigate to the option voice and video. Under this, you're gonna find different option. Navigate to the section input settings, change the input profile to custom. After that, scroll down and set noise suppression to none. Next, turn off automatic gain control as this can sometimes affect audio performance. Then scroll further down and enable quality of service high packet priority to help improve connection stability during voice chats. Now go back to top of the settings and look for the debugging section. Click on it and turn off debug logging. Then confirm by clicking OK. This helps reduce unnecessary background processes that may affect performance. Next, search for command prompt. Once it appears, click on the option run as administrator. Now go ahead and type in the command prompt ipconfig/+dns and press enter. This will clear your DNS cache and can help improve connection speed and reduce ping issues in Discord. After completing these steps, restart your Discord and check your voice chat performance. Following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.